guys, thanks so much for joining me this week in this video. This week, I wanted to upload a vlog of like a kind of few days with me, just because I don't have like any major trips happening right now. I don't go on like a serious trip until like October. So I figured I would share some at-home stuff, some of the things I've been like cooking for meal prep, and just like day-to-day things. I'll obviously try to keep it brief because I don't really feel like a lot of the at-home stuff is as interesting as like compared to the travel vlogs and stuff. But literally I'm like on a short break, plus I'm finally feeling normal after being out of it for like the last 2 weeks. Chicago really jammed me up pretty bad. I don't know, it was like the weather, all the winds, the flight home, I don't know what it was, but I just got really sick, and I literally was just in bed for 2 weeks. So I'm finally feeling kind of normal. Some cough, but we're Gucci for the most part. Anyways, today I ended up having to I was summoned to do jury duty, but the case ended up getting dismissed. Also, I was dismissed too, so that means I don't have to participate in this activity for another 6 years. Thank God. Because I really don't want to do it. Like, I feel guilty about judging someone. But that's a whole nother conversation for a whole nother day. Anyways, today I don't really have many plans. I just have to go to my language class tonight, and that's like at 6. And it's only 11 a.m. right now, so I figured I'd have some breakfast and just kind of study, because I haven't really been studying the best. I have not been being the best student, so I really want to turn that around. But yeah, so anyways, let me go make some breakfast, and well, let's get this vlog started. So guys, there's a little bit of change of plans. I literally ended up just studying for like the last 2.5 hours. Taking a break now only because I'm about to change and head back outside. My sister just sent me a text and said that she's gonna go see Demon Slayer, and we both want to see it. So I'm like, yeah, I'll go with you. So I figured I'd change and put on like a little one piece, because I want to ride my motorcycle today before it starts raining the rest of the week. So I'm actually going to change now, then head out to go grab my bike, and then head over to the movie theater. And then after that, I'll be going straight to my language class. Want to come? So y'all, I'm outside waiting for Uber home. Literally every night when I drop my bike off, I leave it in a storage unit, because literally the first year I bought it, it got hit so many times by like people backing into it. So I put it in a storage unit. Hi y'all. So today did not go as according to plan. So I mentioned to you guys that before my class I was gonna go see Demon Slayer with my sister. We did go see it. I could have waited for it to be released on Crunchyroll, honestly. There was a lot of filler in that movie. It was good, but I was expecting more, right? So anyways, the movie started like 30 minutes later than it was originally supposed to start. So by the time it was over, my class was halfway through, and I thought it was kind of pointless to go there because it would take me like 20 minutes to get there. And by the time I got there, it was only going to be like 15 minutes left. So I opted to just go home. So I ended up dropping my bike off at my storage unit, and I took an Uber to this burger joint called Herbie's Burgers out here. They make like smash burgers and stuff like that. It's pretty good. I think sometimes their burgers are a little bit oily, but I haven't eaten all day. So I'm just like, it is what it is at this point. Damn, yeah, the day did not go like I thought it would. So unfortunately, I'll just be doubling up on my study sessions. I'm trying to get as much as try to get as much in as I can so that I'm prepared for the next class. I'm really upset that I missed it, I'm not gonna lie, but it is what it is. I should have known better. I haven't been to the movies in a while, and I kind of forgot how long the trailers are rolling for. Not to mention there's like a ton of ads in there now. Like, okay, I can't seem to escape the ads. So I'm about to have my dinner, kind of chill out for the night. I don't really have much going on tomorrow besides like a doctor's appointment, and I'll just be meal prepping for the work week. I think I may run out and go grab some groceries because I'm very low on fresh produce. I have a visitor. She is very upset I was gone for 3 hours. Okay, I'm coming. Okay. So yeah, guys, I'll show you what I got. So here she is. Stalking me. You okay? Okay. Here's Remy's dinner. Okay. She's gonna have wet food tonight. I typically only give her like dry food maybe like once every other day, but the majority of the time she's eating wet food because she will not be dehydrated on my watch. Alright, so I almost have a shake this sandwich up because I'm just like, I don't need that extra sugar. Yeah, I feel like the burgers are a little bit oily, but that's alright. This is pretty fine. They give you a lot of fries. Okay. The bite. Wanna smell it? She has to smell everything. Almost have a little Poppy to wash it down. There's a couple of smash burger joints around here now, which is nice because this was like the only one for a while. Now there's this one called 605 Smash. Love that place. I posted a review of it on my Instagram page. Check it out if you're interested. And the other place is called Cosmic Cow. I think it's called Cosmic Cow. I think out of all of the 3 smash burger places, that one is the best. So yeah, the day didn't go as planned, but it's fine. I got to hang with my twinnie, so it is what it is. I'm really kind of disappointed about that damn movie, I'm not gonna lie. It was just like a lot of flashbacks, and the majority of the movie was flashbacks. I'm just like, not y'all throwing in filler episodes in the movie. The fighting scenes were getting good, but then in the middle, they literally stopped for a long ass fucking speech, excuse my language, or a flashback. I'm just like, bruh. Yeah, I want to know some of the lore with some of these upper level demons, but girl, get to the action. I want to see the fighting. To finish out eating for the day, I'm having this for dessert. I don't have like a super crazy sweet craving. I just want to eat something else so I feel full and I don't be tempted to eat anything else. Alright guys, yeah, I'm gonna have this later. I just have to let it sit out for a few minutes so it can kind of thaw, and I will chat with you guys tomorrow. Hi guys, good afternoon. I ended up getting a late start to the day because I wanted to sleep in. So now I'm going to head over to Whole Foods and get some fresh produce. And then I have to go to Walmart to get some food for my cat. I don't really have anything else planned for today other than like meal prep and just kind of cleaning up around my apartment. So I'll take you guys with me to go grab some groceries, and I'll just kind of show you some of the meals I prepped for the week. Work week at least. I literally only work 4 days a week, so it's not that much thought process going into the meals I make. I just like to have like a decent bowl of whatever meal, and then like half that size, and it's like fruit, so I know that'll keep me full, and then I won't feel the urge to snack, which honestly hasn't been super strong lately. I think taking the amount of vitamins or the supplements I've been taking, this combination has been really working out a lot for me. So yeah, meal prep, grocery shop, clean, let's go. Okay. I wanted to get some ice cream. Oh, there they are. Fire. Mainly fresh veg. Okay, I just got a bunch of stuff at a Whole Foods. Now, let's go to Walmart. Okay, I am back home. Got a whole bunch of stuff. I ended up not going to Walmart. I went to Target instead. I know we're supposed to be boycotting them, but they were closer than Walmart is to me, and I didn't feel like driving all the way to Walmart. I ended up actually getting a few things I didn't need to buy, but I was like, they look interesting. So I got 2 new books. This one is like a murder mystery kind of situation, and this is obviously a witchy romance. Love those. Then I got a bunch of like hygiene products like body soap and mouthwash and more cat food for Remy. And I found this cute bowl that I thought would be nice for like plating and stuff. So cute. So I got one of these. And then I think I kind of showed you guys the cart I got at Whole Foods. It was literally a ton of veggies and some fruit. And I got like some lean ground beef so I could meal prep for the week. So I'll put all this stuff away, and then I'll come back once I'm done cleaning and things and show you guys my meal prep. Alright guys, that wraps up this week's vlog. I will see you next week where we'll be in NYC. Thanks for watching.